Okay, week 3, and this is the third attempt to get this to track straight. What? Okay, I'm turning it on. Okay, take 3. I'll run you through the modifications I made. I put in some side skirts. I 3D printed a splitter PLA. I installed a gyro because if you remember last time it was just not fucking tracking straight, but it was much better than the first time. The GPS speedometer came in. Hopefully this time we're able to get nice, clean, straight passes. And yeah, it'll be cool if we can cross 100 kilometers an hour. So just to run you through the setup again. 6S Arrma 185 ESC, 2200 kV motor, Team XTI, 4S, revived from the dead LiPo, brushless servo. I'm running Hoons, and these are Pro lines. Apart from that, I'm running a hot racing spur gear, and the body is pretty beat up, so this maybe the body doesn't matter that much now because I have a gyro installed. Oh damn, now only cars are coming. Shit. Okay, clear. Oh fuck. I'm slowly flooring it. Okay, let's try one more time. Come on, bro. What else do I gotta do? There you go. That was one pass. Let's try and get it again. Fuck. Okay, one last pass and that's it. Okay, that's it. I feel like I need to get the hang of it a little bit, and also I feel the body, bro. Yeah, that side spoiler is not there, no? And also I feel the LiPo is not strong enough to give the juice. Yeah, to give the juice. Let's see how much it went. Yeah, let's see what we got. I would say 70. That's very less, bro. That's very less actually compared to what the setup that is installed. It needs to be way more. 72. That's disappointing. I got to do some modifications. Slowly we'll get there. That sucks. It's hard to keep straight also. But I also feel like it takes a lot of skill to keep straight. The gyro gain was very minimal, bro. Maybe we increase. Now we put it on the other side, right? Other side, bro, we increase it some.
You didn't have a fan? You didn't have a fan here? One fan is gone.
Oh shit.
Right.
Oh yeah, it is gone. I think a pebble went in and probably snapped it.
Might be.
We didn't notice, I think it is.
We didn't notice it at all.
What it was.
Mm.
If it was snapped now, it would have been there only.
Inside there.
72.05.
The Gyro did 92, bro.
Nitro, nothing can beat nitro. Bro.
Sure, bro. Let me see if I can capture it on camera. I don't know if you can see it, but 72. Shameful. Okay, fuck it. Try again.